If there's one exercise we should all be doing, what is that exercise?
That depends on the person. It depends on what they want to do in life. It's tough, but if you're really athletic, I'd say if I was to say to any athlete out there, the number one exercise would be sprinting.
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 Hills?
Just sprinting in general. You can do it on a hill. You can do it flat. Sprinting is amazing.
Sprinting is amazing. Cool.
Yeah. But it's very, very taxing on the body. So then that goes into age, who you are, what you do. So I would say no sprinting, because then you'll pull things. Like for me, if I really sprint and give it my all, I'm always leaving with an injury. So it's very, very, very taxing on the body. So with that being said, then I always break it down to 4 exercises.
Okay.
You have the deadlift.
Okay.
You got the squat.
Yeah.
You got the bench press. And you
Yeah.
got the pull-up.
Yeah, for
If
sure.
you do those 4 exercises, you will forge a strong body. If you want to be any better than doing that, and that's all accessory.
Cool. BJJ?
BJJ, I like it, man. It's for me, I like it. I found a good gym.
Which is...
They used to be Arate, now they're Advent Guard.
Yep.
Yeah,
Same
super
gym.
pros. Yeah, they're really professional in what they do.
Yeah. There's such a great community vibe there.
Yeah.
New gym now.
Yeah.
Mark fucking furnished half of it.
Yeah, well, I mean,
Yeah,
I
'cause
wouldn't
Mark's
expect any
that
less.
guy.
No, that fucking guy.
Yeah. Huge, man. Huge. Like,
Massive, dude. I didn't think it was that big.
Yeah, and they have like a conditioning room. They have
Yeah.
the rolling room and the drill room, and it's like massive. It's like there's like a bend. It's so big. It's so massive. It like bends around. It's like 200
Right.
square meters or maybe even more.
Yeah.
Yeah,
How they
yeah.
put the mats in is amazing. How they went around that bend like that.
Yeah,
with
I'm
those
sure
mats.
Mark figured that one out.
Probably. I mean, cuts with his saw and shit.
Yeah,
Mark and Trevor.
Mark and Trevor. Yeah, because Trevor's an artist, so he has the eye for that shit.
Mark and Trevor.
Yeah. I haven't done it in like 4 or 5 months now. Like I was really,
Probably
really
longer, but
loving.
you're just saying that for the podcast, probably.
No, about 4 or 5 months, Mark.
Has
Yeah.
it been?
Mark's
You've been-
rolling his fucking eyes at me.
No shit.
Yeah,
No,
no,
you
4 or
agree.
5, maximum 6 months.
No, 4 or 5.
4 or 5 months. Yeah, I'm right.
Close
I'm
to
right.
6.
No, man, 4 to 5.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
But 5 is right before 6, yeah.
Yeah, no, it's not gonna get to 6 because
So you're going to actually say half a year. Are you really?
Yeah, next week. Next week.
Alright,
Yeah,
I'll hold you to it.
Definitely gonna get back.
Alright.
Definitely gonna get back.
Grazzi tal-li tissegwu l-podcast, grazzi l-daw kolla li diġa għedin fuq il-Patreon tagħna minarkom da xogħol ma jistax isir aktar minn hekk jekk inti taħseb li dan kollu li qed nagħmlu b'xi mod valur li huwa siewi f'ħajjitkom, inħeġġiġkom titlu fuq il-Patreon tagħna li huwa patreon.com/John Mallia, tagħtu l-kontribut tagħkom min-naħa tagħna aħna nwedukom li se nibqgħu sejrin gas mat-tagħna.